Looking to tear up the dirt and leave the competition in the dust? Say hello to the DEERC 9311E, the 1/18th scale monster truck that turns every backyard into a pro-level racetrack. This isn't your average toy store truck. With its radical zombie-themed graphics and aggressive off-road stance, this four-wheel drive beast is built for one thing: pure adrenaline-pumping speed. Whether you're a hobbyist or a parent looking for the ultimate gift, get ready to experience high-speed thrills that fit right in the palm of your hand. But wait, don't let the size fool you. This thing can handle the raw power of a full metal drivetrain hitting 40 kilometers an hour. Stay tuned because we're driving into some heavy-duty tech that makes this truck virtually indestructible. Let's look under the shell. The 9311E is powered by a high-torque 380 brushless motor capable of screaming past 40 kilometers an hour. To handle that, DEERC equipped it with a professional metal heatsink to keep you running cooler for longer. But power is nothing without durability. This truck features a full metal drivetrain including steel center shafts and alloy gears, combined with independent suspension and metal oil-filled shocks. This machine absorbs jumps and rough terrain like a champ. Plus, with the IPX4 waterproof ESC, you don't have to stop for puddles, mud, or a little rain. It's all-terrain all the time. Control is seamless thanks to the 2.4 gigahertz interference-free system, allowing you to race multiple trucks without signal lag, and the best part, no more battery anxiety. The 9311E comes with two 1500 milliamp hour high-capacity batteries, giving you a total of 40 minutes of non-stop dirt-flinging action. Look, we talked about the high-speed, metal, tough components that are supposed to dominate the trail, but let's make sure this thing lives up to the hype. Let's go talk to me right there at the testing facility and see what my experience was like. So let's talk about this, who this is for, because that's going to be kind of important for this conversation. Normally on this channel, we review like those hobby grade kind of RCs, the fast racy, like cool performance-oriented one. That is not what this is. This is actually a really good toy grade like RC car, right? Like if you were going to give this to a 10-year-old and say, go play with it, check out all the dirt that's in it. I've had so much fun with this thing. It is absolutely perfect for that. You put the battery in, you put the top on it, and you go, and it runs and it runs and it runs and it runs, has a tremendous battery life. It is fast enough to be entertaining. I took it in the dirt, I jumped it, I just drove it around the road as you saw, and it did everything absolutely perfectly for what it is, right? If you wanted to be excited by the speed or crazy jumps or upgrade the suspension, this is not it. This is the wrong pick for that. If you're going to give somebody who knows nothing about RC cars, a little kid who you just want them to be the happiest little kid in the world, this is definitely an amazing RC truck for that. Cannot possibly go wrong. As a matter of fact, if you wouldn't mind, there's a link down below. There's one here on the screen. Helps out the channel if you use those. I do have to tell you, this was provided to me to do this review, so just so you know, in all fairness, they gave it to me. They give me no instructions. As a matter of fact, I came with two from the same brand today. The other one sucked. You will not see a video for that because I will not endorse something that I didn't like. This I absolutely love. Perfect for that application. If you have any questions about it, feel free to throw it down in the comments. I'm happy to try to answer those for you. This is perfect for what it is, a great gift for somebody, just a kid who wants to play with an RC car who knows nothing about it. This is a great place to start. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video. Welcome to the past. You've already seen this DEERC 9311E. Run, crash, party, have a great time with it. Obviously, you were interested enough, you want to see what it looks like when you unbox it. What do you say we do that? This is my first time looking at it. I have to say I don't have a whole lot of information on it. It's a brand new model. They tell you some interesting things here on the box that you might want to know. It is full scale, whatever that means. I believe it's 14th scale. No, I'm going to say 16th scale, but they say full scale. It has a motor. This RC car has a motor, has a battery. It is four-wheel drive and has metal differentials. That's the only thing that is really kind of interest to me on this box. But I saw the pictures of this thing and it looks so cool. Let's pop it out, see if it looks as cool in real life as it did in the pictures. So I will say, I'm going to give DRC credit. As much as they're not giving us much information on the box, they have definitely upped their packaging game. I mean, look how nice this packaging is. They have definitely upped that game. Let's open this up, see what the remote looks like, because that's what's in here. Oh, we got more than just that. Okay, we got the remote, very standard remote. We got trim left and right, speed trim, no foam on the steering wheel, simple on off, very conventional, probably completely appropriate for this RC. Two 2S batteries, couple little spare parts, as well as a USB charger. I'm kind of rushing through it because, this thing is freaking cool. I don't know if you've seen this thing. Oh, you've seen the rest of the video. So you've seen this. This is my first time getting to see it. And this is absolutely so cool looking. So I'm going to correct myself a little bit. It is not 16th scale. This is 18th scale. Or as the box would like you to know, it is full scale. Here's what a full scale, super cool RC truck looks like. How freaking cool is this thing? That thing is amazing. I love it. All right, let's see what's under the hood though. Okay, under the hood, this looks like a really nice finished oh, I like this suspension. Okay, so let me show you this. This is a really nicely finished RC, right? So let's start at the front. Looks like we got a little LED light bar on the front. These are friction shocks, but they do feel pretty good. Metal drivetrain, right? It's got a metal drivetrain. It's got those metal differentials as we discussed. Radio with the built-in speed controller. Servo. Here's the motor that it says is inside this package. And in the back here, look how much travel there is on that. Rear wing, which is nice and soft, so that's not going to break off. And wheelie bars. I would be so impressed if this actually had enough power to wheelie. That would be pretty darn crazy, right? All right, you've actually already seen. You know, did this wheelie or not? You could put that down there in the comments. Did this wheelie or not? Put it in the comments, because us here in the past don't know yet. Look, you've seen it run. You've heard the review. If you want to get one, as always, use the link down below. I hope this was helpful. I can tell you for sure, this could be the coolest looking RC that I've seen this year. Very excited to go use it. I'm gonna check out because I'm gonna go play with this thing.